Here I have the best outdoor TV antenna balance that you can buy as a replacement. The Channel Master CM-94444 and also the Channel Master CM-3203. Those are the best TV antenna balance out there online now. You can buy them at channelmaster.com. The links are in the video description if you want to buy those. By far, they're the best TV antenna balance out of all the others out there. These TV antenna balance work very well, especially the Channel Master CM-3203 that you see there. And so far in the past 4 years, it withstood all of the elements outside, including extreme heat, extreme cold, rainy weather, etc. So far, I have no problems with it. I use this outdoor TV antenna matching transformer to replace an old faulty Balun that I had up there at this long-range TV antenna. A few years ago, I wasn't getting all of the channels that I need off of that long-range antenna. Even though it's so big, it can pick up pretty much all the channels out there. So I find it quite strange for my TV to not receive all the channels with an outdoor long-range antenna this big. So I had to take the antenna down to investigate why. I looked at all the cables and I looked at the matching transformer on this antenna. And it turns out that the issue had to be the Balun. So I had it replaced and that solved the problem. On top of that, I also replaced the coax cable that was a little bit stiff and had rust spots on the connectors. So I had to replace it as well. Now these antenna balance that you're looking at here from Amazon and eBay, I don't recommend people buying these because if they're not weather resistant, then they can't withstand the elements very well and they won't last very long. And these are similar to the TV antenna Balun that I had to remove that was rusted. So again, I don't recommend that people buy any of these. Here's one final note. When you attach the coax cable to the TV antenna Balun matching transformer, you only tighten it with your hands. You do not use a wrench to tighten these because doing so would damage the Balun itself and it wouldn't pick up much of any TV signals at all. You just attach the coaxial cable to the Balun gently with just a few turns and it should be on there pretty good. And that concludes this video on outdoor TV antenna Balun matching transformers. Again, if you want to buy these that are weather resistant and last for many, many years to come, you can buy them from Channel Master. The link's in the video description if you wish to buy them. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, make comments if you like, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to the next video.